Hey everyone, and welcome back. And today we're diving into a topic that's becoming more and more relevant for homeowners everywhere: downsizing your home. So whether you're adjusting to an empty nest, looking to cut down on living costs, or just after a simpler, less cluttered lifestyle, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone want to downsize? But there are plenty of compelling reasons. Maybe the kids have moved out and you don't want to clean a huge house. Maybe you hate those stairs going up and down all the time. Or perhaps you're trying to make your life more cost efficient and reduce your impact on the environment. Whatever your reason, downsizing can be an effective strategy to streamline your life and free up some mental space. Alright, so how do you start downsizing? It all begins with figuring out what you really need. This means decluttering, reducing, and prioritizing your belongings. Yes, it can be tough to part ways with items, especially those with sentimental value. But remember, memories are in our minds and hearts, not in our stuff. Consider hosting a garage sale, donating items to charity, or gifting them to family and friends so someone else can get the use out of it rather than it just sitting there. When it comes to choosing a smaller home, think about what matters most to you. Love cooking? Make sure that kitchen's up to scratch. Working from home? A dedicated workspace is a must then. And don't forget about the outdoors. A small garden or a nice patio can make a world of difference. Downsizing has a lot going for it. Lower bills, less maintenance, more manageable property taxes. This is just the start. Plus, living in a smaller space might just encourage you to get out more, engage with your community, and really focus on what you love doing. Remember, downsizing is a journey, and it's different for everyone. As your trusted real estate expert, I'm here to guide you through it and find your perfect home for your new lifestyle. If you're ready to explore downsizing or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Remember, downsizing isn't about living with less, but about making space for more of what really matters. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more top-notch real estate insight. Or if you're looking to buy or sell, please reach out to me, Miguel Garanza with RE/MAX Platinum, Team Callan.